Wash na.
How about the soap? How about the soap?
Here.
Where's the soap?
Okay na yan. Okay.
Ikinto ko na?
You like this.
Hindi?
Just like this. Oh, wash na. Wow. Pati labas.
Good job ako everyday. Para kukunin ako coins everyday.
Yeah. May reward, no?
Yung coins? I just gonna spin around this one. It's easy peasy to me. And then done.
Okay, good
And
job.
then it's inside. It's too sticky. At least there's answers.
Spoon na, spoon.
And then this. Okay, it's time to the spoon. Iiba na atin kasi dumi na yung soap.
Hindi, pwede pa yan. Kunin mo lang, oh.
Ito na yung soap.
Next.
Easy-peasy lang sa akin ito.
Very good.
Tsaka mas matusok ito. Don't use it at home, kids. Because this is dangerous.
Yeah.
Only 5 years old can do this, right?
Yeah. And then after your plate,
Yan na. And then my plate. Ibukas ko una yung kamay. There. Hey, get off of there, Kandu Candy.
go, wash your plate na.
Kasi meron to
Matatanggal yan
candy.
mamaya pagka winash mo na ng water, pag rinse na.
Okay, Mami. Underground.
Very good. Okay, you're done? Okay,
Yeah.
rinse it. And then put it here, put it here after you rinse. Okay, very good. No more soap. Ayusin mo. No more soap. Very good. Here. Very good. Diyan na. Tapos yung sponge, nilagay mo na dito sa lagayan. Okay? And then this one, put it here after.
1, 2, 3. And 2, set.
Okay, I'll put it here. And then you're done. Very good. High five. Oh, close it. Good job.